To start dry cleaning, insert the Vac and Mop dustbin into the robot with the pad plate detached. Push the dustbin in fully until you hear an audible click. To manually start matrix mode, simply hold the clean button for 5 to 7 seconds. Shark's exclusive Matrix Clean technology takes on the most difficult areas of your home. It increases suction and intelligently cleans up and back and side to side to go over messes multiple times for a deeper clean. You can also select a specific area on the app as well. With Matrix Clean, you can target specific rooms, high traffic areas, or just stubborn spots. Follow the prompts in the app to enable Matrix Clean. If you would like your robot to avoid certain areas in your home, these can also be defined in the app. You don't need to worry about having to empty your robot after every run. It will empty on its own. The dustbin can hold up to 60 days worth of picked up debris. After the Explore run and your app map is presented, you will be able to set up carpet zones. After setting up the carpet zones, complete the carpet verification run in the app to confirm the size and locations of the rugs. To begin a wet clean, you will need to detach the self-empty dustbin by pressing the top button and sliding it out. You will then need to insert the flat edge of the mopping pad through the slot in the top of the pad plate and secure it to the bottom of the pad plate. After the mopping pad is attached, you will need to fill the tank with 3/4 water and then 1/4 of the Vac Mop solution. Once the reservoir is filled, insert the Vac and Mop 2-in-1 dustbin into the robot. To manually start matrix mode over an area, simply press and hold the Clean button for 5 to 7 seconds. Matrix Mop technology starts by using powerful suction to vacuum up the dry debris, while the mopping pad follows behind, scrubbing your floors 100 times per minute and swirling to scrub away dried-on dirt and stains. It also covers tougher messes in all directions, left to right, then up and down, in a swirling pattern. You can also select a specific area on the app as well. With Matrix Mop mode, you can target specific rooms, high traffic areas, or just stubborn spots. To mop specific rooms or avoid certain areas, you can find these options in the app. When mopping is complete, remove the Vac and Mop 2-in-1 dustbin by pressing the top button and sliding the dustbin out. Remove the mopping pad by taking out the flat edge of the pad through the slot in the top of the pad plate. Clean and dry the mopping pad after each use. Press and hold the button while removing the dustbin, using the finger slots. Empty debris and dust into trash. Wash dustbin if needed using water.